In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to your email so you can write clearer messages, catch mistakes faster, and polish every email before you hit send. This is a quick setup, but it makes a huge difference if you send a lot of emails for work, school, or your business. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the Grammarly browser extension page. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, so just choose the browser you already use most often. Once the page loads, look for the Add to Browser button. Click that button and your browser will start the installation process. You may see a few confirmation prompts pop up, depending on which browser you're using. If that happens, just confirm the installation and allow Grammarly to be added to your browser. After the extension finishes installing, look at the top right area of your browser for the extensions icon. This usually looks like a puzzle piece. Click that icon to open your extensions list, then find Grammarly and log in with your Grammarly account. If you don't already have an account, you may need to create one first, but once you're signed in, Grammarly will be ready to work in your browser. Now the final step is to test it in your email. Open your email inbox such as Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. As soon as the email editor opens, you should see the green Grammarly widget bubble appear automatically in the bottom right corner of your email text box. That little bubble means the extension is active and ready to help you write. From here, you can type your email as normal, and Grammarly will start highlighting spelling issues, grammar mistakes, punctuation problems, and writing suggestions as you go. This is especially useful if you want your emails to sound more professional, more confident, or simply easier to read. If you ever don't see the bubble right away, make sure the extension is installed correctly, that you're logged in, and that the browser refreshes after installation. In most cases though, it should appear automatically the first time you open a Compose window. And that's it. You've successfully added Grammarly to your email. Now, you can write with a little more confidence every time you send a message. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.